Good afternoon, Warriors. Taking a look at our homework for today, which is Wednesday, the 9th of September, 2020. It's 9/9/2020. In math, we got practice 1.5, followed by our Chapter 1 test, which will be coming up on Friday. The accelerated math class, you've got practice 2.1. In regular science, we have our Chapter 1 review sheet, and that is for homework tonight. There's 15 questions. It's on Google Classroom. Please make sure you're using your notes to answer that. You also need to complete in Warrior Time Unit 1, Lesson 1 if you did not complete that in class. In social studies, we need to finish our food for thought. Remember that you must copy your answers from the worksheet to the Google form. The worksheet is available online, so that way if you want to have one of the sides of the worksheet out looking at it on your computer and one on your desktop, or on your desk, so you can be looking at both sides at the same time, that would be perfect. For language arts, a writer's notebook chapter 2, your entry is due tomorrow. And make sure that we are following the requirements that were set forth by Mrs. Murray. In the literature, we need to read 30 to 40 minutes, as well as having an AR test taken by the end of the day this Friday, 9/11. Kids have known about this all week. In careers in life, there is no homework this evening. However, you can be working on a Better You project or goal. This is due Monday. We'll finish ACT and follow up in class. All right, and make sure you finish the self-care assignment for FCS 6. That's it for this Wednesday. Everybody take care, and we'll see you tomorrow.